What's up guys, welcome back to another vlog. Today I'm at this Bharat Mobility Expo. So in front of me there is Avanya from Tata. This car is looking superbly awesome. Just look at this car man. I think ये पूरे Auto Expo की सबसे best looking car होगी. Just look at this man. I like the color also and it comes with 20 inches alloy wheels. This is looking damn cool. Just look at this car man. I'm in love with this car. I think Tata का इस टाइम तो best concept होगा ये. Just look at this from front man. It's supposed to be electric only. And let's look at this. Wow, it's amazing. Looking so good. Here comes the most awaited car, the Tata Sierra. Let's get discontinued. पहले वाला मॉडल discontinue हो गया था, which is also parked on the left. You can see. But I like this color man. I like this color. और जो पुरानी सियरा थी उसी को उन्होंने कंटिन्यू किया है. थोड़े से जो अगर बॉडी लाइन वगैरह देखोगे लाइक दैट ओनली. सो इनिशियली इट इज़ लॉन्चिंग इन EV ओनली विच वी गेट टू नो. बट सूनर यू विल सी द अनदर IC वर्जन ऑल्सो. बट ये गाड़ी सुपर ऑसम लग रही है. और ये एक कार है आई थिंक जो महिंद्रा की EV6 और EV9 दोनों को कम्पीट कर सकती है, क्योंकि जो पुराने एस्थेटिक्स हैं इन्होंने वो कंटिन्यू किए हैं इस कार में. एंड फ्रंट से द कार लुक्स सो गुड. एंड नाउ दिस इज टाटा सफारी विच इज़ अवेलेबल इन इलेक्ट्रिक वर्जन ऑल्सो. नाउ वी कम टू दिस MG एंड दिस इज MG7 फ्रॉम MG. ओह माय गॉड, लुक एट दिस बोनेट मैन. मतलब इसको देख के मेरे को पुरानी Hyundai एक्सेंट याद आ गई. इतना लंबा बोनेट है. And look at this interior man. Super, I think कुछ पिंक शेड में इंटीरियर है इसका. I think we are not allowed to get inside the car, तो बाहर से ही थोड़ा सा वीडियो बना रहा हूँ उसका मैं. This is MG Cyberster. It's a 2-seater car, electric car, and it is going to launch in India very soon, maybe mid of March only. But I love this car man. This is 2-seater and looks like a super sports car. आई होप ये सुपर स्पोर्ट्स की तरफ चलेगी भी इंडिया में. बट आई लाइक दिस कार एंड द कलर इज़ सो गुड. एक रेड में भी दूसरी तरफ खड़ी करी है, बट दिस येलो इज लुकिंग ऑसम, सुपर ऑसम. दिस इज न्यूली लॉन्च MG Magister विच इज डायरेक्टली कम्पीटिंग विद द Toyota Fortuner. नाउ दिस इज द कॉन्सेप्ट फ्रॉम द Mercedes. इट्स एन इलेक्ट्रिक कॉन्सेप्ट बाय Mercedes एंड दिस कार लुकिंग सुपर डोप. पूरा क्राउड यहाँ इकट्ठा हुआ है ओनली जस्ट टू हैव अ लुक एट दिस कार. दिस इज सुपर ऑसम. यू कैन सी जो बॉडी लाइंस हैं दैट आल्सो इन द क्रोम लाइन एंड द अलॉयज आर लुकिंग डैम कूल. आई होप कॉन्सेप्ट के बाद ये एक्चुअल कार में भी ये अलॉयज होंगे. इट्स लुकिंग सुपर कूल. लेट्स लुक एट द टेल लैम्प मैन. टेल लैम्प और हेड लैम्प बिल्कुल सिमिलर से लग रहे हैं विद द एरो वाला अपना लोगो फ्रॉम Mercedes. This red color looking awesome. Look at the interior also. I can see the ambient light in the interior. और जो ग्लास रूफ है वो भी बिल्कुल क्लियर है. मतलब दिस इज लुकिंग सो कूल. लेट्स लुक एट दिस फ्रंट ग्रिल मैन. सुपर बिग और क्रिस्टल्स हैं उसके अंदर. और हेडलैम्प भी टेल लैम्प की तरह वही एरो वाला है. तो दिस मिक्स कार सुपर कूल. वाह. While every car manufacturer is talking about EVs, तो मारुति कहाँ पीछे रहने वाला. तो मारुति जस्ट लॉन्चेस विटारा. इन्होंने ग्रैंड हटा दिया है, खाली विटारा छोड़ा है जस्ट टू क्रिएट सम. नाउ आई एम एट Suzuki Pavilion. Here I can see the newly launched Suzuki 8R. I think this engine comes from your recently launched Suzuki V-Strom 800. सो हेडलैम्प भी थोड़ा अच्छा सिमिलर सा है V-Strom 800 जैसा. दीज आर द स्पेसिफिकेशन. बट दिस इज लुकिंग बिट डिफरेंट बिकॉज Yamaha ऑल्सो लॉन्चिंग इज 750cc दिस सुपर स्पोर्ट्स. तो दे आर ऑल्सो लॉन्चिंग दिस 8R. सो दिस इज लुकिंग गुड. Now this is the actual track bike. You can see there are a lot of red buttons and green buttons. These are the release button and the turbo buttons. You can see this monocross suspension. This is the actual track bike which is used to run on a track. तो बहुत different aesthetics होते हैं इसके. Very light weight also. So Pavilion, this is recently launched Xpulse 210 comes with standard ABS, and this is the very cool looking bike. मतलब पहले वाले से तो अच्छी लग रही है. And this is the showcase with all the luggage options available. So they put on the tank bag and the panniers on the bike. You can see the color of the engine is now slightly different. It used to be black only. थोड़ा सा golden touch उन्होंने डाला है उसमें. Exhaust is also a bit higher than the usual one. Comes this as in standard. It got some of the off-road tires. Now this is the pavilion from the Hero, and here is our special bike. This is the actual bike जो Dakar Rally में use होती है. And look at this instrument cluster and everything. जो record करते हैं लोग कितना चला, कितने घंटे, कितना distance. And this is not actual 210 Xpulse for your information. This is very different engine. Everything is different. Only the Hero badge is there. Rest it's totally different. Now this is the rally version for the Xpulse. You can see we got the LCD cluster and the handguard and this flat seat with no indicators and the brake light, because this is for the off-roading purpose only. We got the same 90. This is the newly launched Porsche. Look at this car. Porsche is Porsche. कुछ भी बोलो, no one can compete with this car. This car is looking so awesome, so bold, so big, so beautiful. This yellow Porsche is so beautiful, man. Wow. And just look at this spoiler. It's so wide. I think it is wider than the car. But this car. Now I reach the BMW pavilion. Starts with the Mini Cooper. Now we have the BMW cars. They put on some electric cars also. And there I can see in the corner which sports BMW car. This one is the electric one. And finally the BMW Motorrad. This is the electric by the BMW Motorrad. I think it's पूरा जोक ही है. Here comes the Dream Adventure Tourer motorcycle for every adventure tourer. Even I like this motorcycle so much, but I don't know Yamaha India में launch क्यों नहीं करता. This is the most selling adventure tourer ever produced. This is Tanner 700. It comes with dual tank. Now here comes MT-09 by Yamaha. This is one of the most beautiful naked bike I ever seen. बट यामा ने ये भी इंडिया में अभी तक लॉन्च नहीं की है. ये हमेशा हर एक्सपो में लगा देते हैं बट कभी भी इंडियन मार्केट में नहीं डालते हैं. बट दिस इज़ लुकिंग सुपर कूल मैन. दिस इज़ 900cc inline 4 which churns out more than 100 PS of power. This is now here comes the concept by Yamaha. It's looking totally different, although it's not looking like a bike. I don't know whether it चलती भी है कि नहीं है. But look at the tires, man. There's something inside the tire. It's some kind of a magnetic thing which runs these tires. But this is super cool. I think ये electric ही होगी. I can see two handles on both of the sides. Suzuki ने अपनी ट्रैक बाइक शोकेस की तो Yamaha कहाँ पीछे रहने वाला था. Yamaha also showcased his two of the track bikes, which is in blue color. Here comes the Yamaha R7. This is the middleweight super sports bike which is going to launch in India. It is inline 4 which churns out more than 100 PS of power, and it will directly compete with the Suzuki Eta which is also going to launch in India very soon. So it is a first super sports kind of a bike which is going to launch by Yamaha. So I am so eagerly waiting for this bike. अगर आप भी wait करो तो ज़रूर बताना. Finally we are at this Mahindra pavilion. The first car we see is BE6. Which is the recently launched electric vehicle by MG. Look at this public, man. It's too much crowded. मतलब हर बंदा हर गाड़ी पे टूट के पड़ा हुआ है. And this one is the bigger version of 6E is XEV9E. I think the battery pack is bigger. The space it is more spacious, and it is on the platform of XUV 700. This is looking good, man. And now this is something which I really like it. This is the electric truck by VinFast. मतलब VinFast अपनी cars को launch कर रहा है इंडिया में, and this is what they showcase. It's a pickup truck. It's electric pickup truck, which seating capacity of 5 people, and it's a big bed. You can see it's a big bed, और इसके ऊपर मैं अपनी ही बाइक भी पूरी खड़ी कर सकता हूँ. So it's big and spacious, और ट्रक का नाम ही वाइल्ड है. So I think the off-roading capability भी काफ़ी अच्छी होगी इसकी. So let's see कब launch होती है इंडिया में. Now this is one of the major attraction for this Bharat Mobility Expo. This is the air taxi which has been placed here. Now I am this Norton, and this is the Naked bike by the Norton. It's looking super cool. India में available है Norton, but nobody is buying this Norton because it is very costly, and the costly भी है इसलिए because it comes with the quality. Just look at every single component which has been installed on this bike. Every single component, right from the engine cover to the chassis and everything, the paint work also. That's why it is very quality, comes with a price. After looking at this bike, I can seriously say this bike worth everything. This bike is full of carbon fiber. Every single part, every single component. Finally, the Bharat Mobility Expo has been explored. I explored each and every hall. This expo is majorly about the EVs only. If you like the video, please subscribe, like and share with your friends as much as possible. Thank you. Meet you in the next video.